Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add money to Revolut. So let's get into the video. Open up your Revolut application. So once you've opened up your Revolut application, log into your account. So once you've already logged into your account, so under your accounts tab here, so you will see an option called add money next to your account details. So click on add money. So here what you have to do, just choose the amount that you want to add. All right, so just choose the amount, and then once you've choose the amount here, you'll have the option to either use your debit or credit card, your bank card to add the money, or if you want to change it, you can also use your as bank transfer. I mean, like, you can transfer money into your Revolut bank account through your other third-party banks, so you can do that too. So you can straight away choose this debit or credit card as well. So if you choose that, all right, so if you are choosing your debit or credit card, so to plug in the amount that you want to transfer and then click on add money securely, and all you have to do now is plug in your card number, your card details and everything, and click on continue, and then complete the transaction, and that's it. Your money will be added to your account, and that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.